How's it going, everybody? My name's Andrew, and welcome to E-Week. This is our Watson Fabrication Lab, where the Formula One student team is held, as well as many other teams, such as a team that builds a Mars rover and a team that builds a rocket that's going to go to space. We'll take you on a walkthrough to show you everything that we have to offer down here at Binghamton University's Watson Fabrication Lab. On the left, you can see all of our project tables. This is where a lot of the projects that work in the shop store all of their work. We'll walk through the wood shop. In the wood shop, we can do a lot of prototyping. Luckily, we have tools like a bandsaw, a miter saw, and a table saw that help us prototype really quickly instead of the other slower methods like 3D printing. We can show you around the room real quick. And if you follow me out, now we can head over to the Sae Project Tables. The first one we'll hit is a super mileage car. The super mileage car is our team's vehicle that can reach up to 1,000 miles per gallon, which is a crazy number considering your car at home probably gets about 25. Up there is our engine testing stand, where they run their engine and try to get an efficient tune. Down there is their carbon fiber chassis, which weighs extremely light so that they can use that tiny amount of fuel to set the car moving very far distances. Over here is the rest of our SAE workstation. You can see our ergonomics jig and our other various projects and our racing gear right here. Over there is Bailey, our electronics team lead, and right now he's doing something with a wrench. In the background, we have our current Formula car and our Formula car from the year before. This is our flagship Baja car, which is currently in the works. It's almost done. The suspension works great, and it's even got a custom steering wheel and a horn. Want to see this car in action? Keep an eye out for the video we're about to show you, which was taken on our drive day at the beginning of this year. Up next, we're going to take you through our manufacturing area. This is where we're actually able to make our projects into a reality after the prototyping phase in the wood shop. This machine you see right here is our water jet. In the water jet, we can custom cut parts down to thousandths of an inch in precision, and those can be then used in further tolerancing on the mills or then directly on our pieces. Do you want to take a look in the water jet? Let's see it. So this right here is our car from this year. We've been welding it for months now, and we have everything done with engine mounts and our firewall. We're hopefully about 1/3 of the way through the process, and we're looking to finish it up maybe by mid-March. Over there is the old Baja frame, and that's our ventilator that can help us breathe clean air while we're welding. Always make sure that if you're working in a workshop environment, you wear your proper personal protective equipment, which includes this welding mask, this jacket, these gloves, and these glasses. We'll take you over to our welding training stations now to show you where we actually do a lot of our welding. Over here is our Tig Welding Station. This is where we train up a lot of our students to learn to weld on the big formula car. This is important because we want to make sure the welds in the formula car are perfectly done and as strong as possible. If you follow me over here, we can show you the grinding station and the cutting station. And this is where we cut our tubes down to size and make sure they fit together before we actually weld. Up next, we'll take you over to the milling area. Over here, a lot of our parts get precision machined. We use these tools over there, which are called lathes, and these tools, which are called mills, that can perfectly make our parts down to the thousandths of an inch precision that we need to fit in our engineered formula car. We have 4 very well-trained professionals that work in the shop, and their names are Jim, Bob, Dave, and Vince, and they help us out, especially in this back corner over here. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed and found it informational. We hope that it inspired you to get into engineering yourself, or to maybe come down and visit the shop at some point. We want to say a big thank you to both our shop guys who make the day-to-day activities down here possible, as well as our sponsors that you see behind us. We'll also include an image of all these guys. In particular, these sponsors are what really makes us be able to do our work down here possible. So once again, thanks to the sponsors, the shop guys, and thanks all of you for watching. Feel free to join our Zoom call soon if you'd be interested in finding out more about the team. Go fast!